Hi, it's Mike with AskTractorMike.com. I'm going to answer a viewer letter today that is asking about a particular front-end loader for a model of tractor. In other words, they bought a tractor without a loader and they need a loader for it. Now, if you don't have this model of tractor or this brand, stay with me because I'm going to tell you some tips. If you're ever at an auction and you see a cream puff tractor with low hours and no front-end loader, and you're like, if that tractor had a loader, I would buy it and maybe either use it or resell it and make some money, stay with me and watch this video because I'm going to give you some tips today about where to find a front-end loader for a tractor that doesn't have one. And most of the time, up front, I'm going to tell you that doesn't work, but it can. And there's a new tool that I just discovered that makes it a lot easier to find maybe a bargain loader to go on the bargain tractor and have a package that you can either use or resell and make some money. So let's get to our letter. Letter comes today from Curt, and Curt says, I have an older 5400 John Deere, and I'm looking for front loader suggestions on used or aftermarket. Also, when looking, what model loaders fit my tractor? Thanks, Curt. Well, Curt, first off, if you're looking at any tractor and you want to know what model loaders fit it, if the manufacturer has a website where they offer parts lookups for those tractors, and John Deere does, you can go on their website and type in your model number of tractor, and I'll show you here how to do it. Type in your model number of tractor, and then they'll have the different parts of the tractor that you can look for. And then most of them will have a section where you can look up what front-end loaders fit the tractors. Now, the 5400s are a little unique in that they generally had a different front-end loader that fit the non-cab tractors and two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive. So they had multiple different loaders that fit that. Now, if the loader you're looking for is a brand that doesn't have online lookup, another thing you can do is go to tractordata.com. They're a very, very reliable. It's not sanctioned by a manufacturer, but they're a very reliable source of information. When I was in the dealership world, we used tractor data all the time to look up applications like this. And generally, if you put your model number of tractor in, you'll find out what front-end loaders fit it. So now you know what John Deere loaders fit the tractor. Now, if you wanted to find, again, on the John Deere website, which brackets fit your particular application, you could look in there and get the part number of the brackets, and then you could Google that. If you found a loader that fits your tractor but it didn't have the right brackets to mount it on the 5400. Are you with me so far? It's a little complicated to do this, but it's very doable. Now, one thing I want to say here, John Deere is kind of unique in the industry in that they build their own front-end loaders. So if you wanted to get a brand new front-end loader for a Deere 5400, you can get it probably from John Deere. And that might be worth a call to the local Deere dealer to find out if they've got them available. Most companies buy their front-end loaders from somebody else. And I'm going to put up a chart here of all the front-end loader companies that were out there in the heyday of front-end loaders. When front-end loaders came out, there were a lot of tractors that were sold that did not have front-end loaders. And so there were companies that sprang up to build those front-end loaders for those tractors. And one by one, they kind of went away as front-end loaders got put on older tractors and kind of, they filled up the pipeline, so to speak, with the front-end loaders. But also what happened is the manufacturers got to where they didn't want an aftermarket front-end loader on their tractor, and they offered financial incentives for buying the manufacturer's front-end loader. So one by one, these companies kind of went away, and now most of these are not around anymore. To my knowledge, the companies that are still out there, and there may be more of these that are, but I know that Westendorf still offers front-end loaders for tractors, and Quickie does, Quaker, however you say that. And then there's a company called KMW that also builds for some of the manufacturers that offers front-end loaders. And the rest of these, I don't know. So the number of companies where you can get an aftermarket loader, if your company is not like Deere that offer front-end loaders for some of their older tractors, you can go to one of these few companies that are left. Now, what most companies did was they would employ a company that already made front end loaders to make loaders for their new tractors. That's what most of the industry does. Deere makes their own front end loaders, and I believe Kubota does. And so they're somewhat unique. Now, if you're wanting to look for a used loader, and this is the nugget I'm going to give you today, that'll some of you may be able to find a used front end loader for a tractor you own now and change your life. But there's a company called Tractor House, and Tractor House is part of Sand Hills Publishing, and they basically publish used tractor inventory online, and they've got a catalog of what's available in your region that they send to people. And that is where most dealers advertise their used equipment. Tractorhouse.com is where it is. So we're going to look for a used loader for this 5400 Deere. And what you do is you go to their website, go to attachments, and then tractor attachments. And then loaders. And then you can type in your model number, and it will take you to listings for that particular model. This is a cool feature. And so if I'm a dealer and I've got a loader on a burned tractor, and probably going to have to rebuild the cylinders on this, but the mainframe would be fine and the brackets would be fine, I can list it on Tractor House and maybe get a buyer somewhere that's got a good tractor. And of course, on a situation like this where the loader's been burned, it'd have to be repainted and everything. But if that's the only option and it's a third of the cost of a new one, that would be a viable option for somebody. So that is a really nice feature that they've got, and it might help people match up some orphan loaders that are out there in dealer inventory that have been sitting in the fence row for years with some tractors that need loaders. So, Curt, hopefully that'll help you. Now, last thing I'm going to tell you today, there's a couple of places in my area that I would call, and there's a guy at Cross Timbers, Missouri that offers used front end loaders. And I think Curt's, can't remember where Curt's at. He's somewhere south of here. Might be worth a drive to come up with a trailer and pick up one for your Deere. And there's also a Deere salvage yard in this area that might possibly have a loader available for that tractor. But again, most of the time, the salvage yards and the small dealers like that use Tractor House to advertise their used inventory. So if they've got one, it'll be there. Well, Curt, that's a long answer to your question, but I hope that guides you in the right direction to find a front-end loader for your 5400 Deere. Now, one last thing. If you've got a loader on your tractor, but you don't have a quick attach bucket, that will change your life. And we offer those on our website from several different manufacturers in all kinds of different configurations. So if you'd like to have a quick attach bucket and you don't have one now, need to visit my website, and I'll put a link and a video showing me installing with a customer a quick attach conversion on the front of their tractor. First off, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. And you can do that by clicking the My Face icon, and make sure you check the bell so you get notified when I post future videos. Here's a link to my website where we offer all kinds of quick attach conversions for a bunch of different brands and models of tractors. And here's a video showing us putting a quick attach on, and here's another video you might want to watch. Thanks for watching.